Hi, welcome to the Parents Math Tutor. If you already watched my ordering numbers video just for parents, then you have the background knowledge you need to teach your kids ordering numbers at home. But this video is just for your students. You can sit them down in front of the computer and they can follow along an ordering numbers lesson with me. Hi friends. Okay, so today we're going to work on ordering numbers. I need you to get a piece of paper and a pencil out, and I need you to copy what I have written down already so that you can follow along with me. Go ahead and pause the video now and copy the screen on your piece of paper. Okay, so the first, the green side is what we're going to do first. So there are four numbers, 76, 34, 67, and 32. We have to order these greatest to least. What does the word greatest mean? It means biggest. So the biggest number, the greatest number, is going to go on that first line, and the least number is going to go on the last line. Least means what? It means littlest. So remember, when we compare numbers, we start in the largest place. So I have a 70, a 30, a 60, and another 30. Which one is the biggest, the greatest? 70 is the greatest. So 76 is the biggest number in this list. So we're going to write 76 on the first line. Make sure you're following along with me. All right. So what's the next biggest? 30, 60, or 30? It's 60, so we write 67. But the last two numbers both have 30. So we need to compare the 4 and the 2. 4 is the greatest, which means 32 is the least. It is the smallest in those list of numbers. Good job. Okay, let's move on to the other side of the screen, the blue screen. This time, I want you to order the numbers on an open number line. And what that means is you're going to order them from least to greatest, because I'm going to draw a little number line down here. Every number line starts at 0 and goes higher. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it keeps going. And every number line goes from least to greatest. So when you have a question ask you to order on an open number line, you have to know that that means from least to greatest. So let's compare the tens places in the numbers listed. I have a 40, a 50, a 30, and a 70. I'm thinking of the least, the littlest number. So it's not going to be 70. Do you know what it is? It's 31. Let's put that landmark number on our open number line. 31 is our landmark number. Now, because it's a number line, I want to do the other landmark number. So which one is the greatest in this list? 72. Let's put 72 as our other landmark number. Now, we have to place the other two numbers from least to greatest in the middle. So the least would be 41, and I'm going to put it a little far away from 31. And then 53 is the only number left, and it belongs in between 41 and 72. All right, guys, let's do one more. Now, you don't have to write down this word problem. I'm going to read it. The grocery store sold lots of fruit on Monday. They sold 415 apples, 423 oranges, 513 bananas, and 222 kiwis. Put the number of fruits sold in order from least to greatest. Least to greatest. So I'm starting with the smallest number and going to the biggest number. I know two ways to do that. I can do that either with an open number line, or I can list the numbers in order with commas in between the numbers. Go ahead and pause the video and write these two things down. Okay, so least to greatest. First, I need to know what numbers I'm working with. Let's find those important numbers. 415, 423, 513, and 222. Which one of these is the smallest? 400, 500, or 200? Yeah, it's gonna be 222. So let's make 222 that first landmark number on our number line and write it in the first dash on your screen or on your paper. All right, now let's do the greatest because I want my other landmark number on my open number line. I've got two 400s and a 500. Say it out loud. Which one's bigger? You're right. 513 is the greatest number. Let's make it our last landmark number, and let's go ahead and fill it in the last dash for ordering these numbers. Now I've got 415 and 423, so I need to compare the tens places. So 415 has a 10, 423 has a 20. Which one's littler, 10 or 20? 10 is littler. So 415 is going to be the next number I write. And then I'm going to fill in 423 on my dashes at the bottom first. And now I've ordered them. I just wanted to point out that when you add this number to the number line, 415 and 423 are very, 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 very close together when you count. So I'm putting those tick marks closer together so that it represents how far apart the numbers should be. All right, great job ordering numbers today. Thanks, guys. I hope you got a lot out of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.